The switch and electronics assembly consists of the on-off switch, the battery terminal, the control board, and the piston sensor. The assembly can be used to fix a tool that won't turn on, lacks variable speed, the LED light no longer lights, the tool operates erratically, or the battery terminal has been melted or damaged. Replacing the switch and electronics assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the barrel assembly. Now remove 1/2 of the housing. Now I'll pull the motor, gearbox, and pump assembly away from the lower housing. I'll need to remove one more screw. Now I'll separate the pump and gearbox from the motor. I lift it away from the housing, twist it, and then I can separate it. As I do this, I want to be careful I don't spill the gears out of the gearbox. Now remove the motor wires from the motor. These are soldered connections, so I'll need to heat the wire to remove it. With the wires disconnected from the motor, now I can remove the rest of the electronics assembly. As I remove the battery terminal, I want to be careful I don't lose the spring that's behind it. I'll pull the wires away from the housing, keeping track of how they're routed. The switch is secured with a small screw, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I'll begin installing the new electronics assembly. I'll do it pretty much in reverse order, taking time to tuck all the wires away so nothing gets pinched when I reassemble everything. As I put the control board back into place, I'll be sure to reinstall the speed control wheel. As well as the LED lens and the button for the LED. I'll reinstall the switch and secure it into place. Now the battery terminal, with the new electronics assembly installed, now I can reinstall the motor. As I reconnect the wires, you'll notice that one terminal on the motor is marked red. and of course the red wire goes there. So I'll solder the blue wire to the opposite terminal. And now I'll connect the red wire. Now I'll reconnect the pump and gearbox to the motor. As I reinstall it back into the housing, I'll make sure that I align the gear selector with the transmission shift lever. Now resecure the pump body to the lower housing. Now I'll reinstall the housing. And now I'll reinstall the barrel assembly. And that's all it takes to replace the switch and electronics assembly in your grease gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.